Welcome to the Basics Hub. Today we're transforming an ordinary backyard space into a cozy fire pit area perfect for gatherings. We'll guide you through building a DIY fire pit, creating comfortable seating, adding ambient lighting, and finishing with stylish decor. So, let's get started on your new favorite outdoor spot. First, let's plan our space. Consider factors like the size of your yard, the distance from structures for safety, wind direction, and the views you want to highlight. Sketch out your design, including the fire pit location and seating arrangement. For our fire pit, we'll need retaining wall blocks, pea gravel sand, and a metal fire ring, which is optional. You'll also need a shovel level and tape measure. First, mark out your circle and dig about 6 inches deep. Then, add a layer of pea gravel for drainage followed by sand and level it. Start laying your first row of blocks, checking for level as you go. Stack additional rows, staggering the joints for stability. If you're using one, insert the metal fire ring. Finally, add a last layer of blocks to secure the ring. Now for seating. We have several options. Built-in seating using retaining wall blocks and topped with pavers, Adirondack chairs for a classic look, outdoor sofas with weather-resistant cushions, and tree stumps or large rocks for a natural feel. Arrange your seating in a semicircle around the fire pit, leaving enough space for people to move around safely. Good lighting enhances the ambiance. Let's add string lights overhead for a magical feel, solar-powered stake lights along pathways, lanterns or candles on side tables, and consider a dimmer switch for adjustable mood lighting. Now let's add some finishing touches. Outdoor rugs to define the space, weather-resistant throw pillows for comfort, side tables for drinks and snacks, potted plants or flowers for color, a storage box for blankets and fire pit tools. Safety is crucial. Remember to keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Use a spark screen. Never leave the fire unattended. Keep the area clear of overhanging branches. Check local regulations about open fires. For the perfect gathering, provide cozy blankets for chilly evenings. Set out s'mores ingredients or hot dog roasting sticks. Create a playlist of ambient music. Consider citronella candles to keep bugs away. And there you have it, your very own cozy fire pit area. This space is perfect for family gatherings, romantic evenings, or solo relaxation. Remember, the key is to create a space that reflects your style and meets your needs. If you enjoyed this DIY project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share photos of your fire pit area in the comments. We'd love to see what you create.